Since the early 1970s, Brisbane Airport has been designed to minimise aircraft noise impacts on residential homes as much as possible. Key to this is the buffer zone that has prevented homes being built too close to the airport runways. To measure the buffer zone, you draw a line from the end of the runway centre line to the nearest residence. The buffer zone from the current main runway is 6.7 kilometres, and the new Brisbane Airport runway will have a non-residential buffer zone of 6 kilometres. These are the largest buffer zones of any major Australian airport. The new runway was positioned as far north and as close to Moreton Bay as possible for this very reason. Same goes for its direction on the ground. A north-south direction and the 2-kilometre separation between the two runways means, compared to today, more arrivals and departures over Moreton Bay, rather than over residential areas. Brisbane Airport Corporation, air traffic controllers and airlines all work together to minimise noise as much as possible.